The Ctrl, Alt, and Delete key is a keyboard shortcut that you can use to terminate non-responsive processes. But what if it suddenly stops responding? So in this short video tutorial, you can try these fixes that we have for you in this video. Now restarting it is likely the best course of action. This may seem like an obvious solution, but it's often one of the quickest and easiest ways of dealing with minor issues like this one. If restarting your computer does not work, there are a few things you can try to do to fix the problem. First, check to make sure that your keyboard is properly plugged in. Another thing you can try to do is hold down the F key, then try the Ctrl Alt Delete key combo again. If it still does not work, check your keyboard still by opening Device Manager, go to Keyboards, right-click on it, then click Update Driver. Another thing you can try to do is check for Windows updates. Do it by opening Settings, click Windows Update, then click Check for Updates, and then download and install any recent update. Lastly, try to run a System File Checker scan. Do it by opening Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. Now this will perform a quick scan of all your system files to check for any corrupted files. And once it has found a problem in your files, it will try to fix it. And those are the following fixes if the Ctrl Alt Delete key is not working on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.